Hey YouTubers, fellow RCers, Marshall here, Budget Guy RC again. Well, we have a box. This time, not such a big one, but I'm doing another unboxing here. I want to go ahead and apologize. Haven't had a chance to get out and do another run video. Had a little bit of rain here and that's kind of, plus they changed up my days that I work and everything, so it's kind of threw me off schedule. And everything, had some stuff going on like that. So, we're going to go ahead and do this unboxing here. And then we got some decals to open up here. Real good guy there. Got that outer wrapping off of it. Now this, guys, this was just an impulse buy. I saw it on eBay, thought it looked really, really cool, and thought I'd give it a try. You know, it was one of those things. And I just thought it looked cool, so I was like, $35 for it. And then 15 shipping was a little bit expensive, considering how light it is. But $35 for it, 15 for the shipping. I paid 50 for it. Now, you don't get too much RC stuff for under $50 anyway. Osprey transport aircraft. 4-channel, 2.4 gig, remote control, helicopter model. In other words, it's got double blades on each side up front. It's got a single blade under the back tail section of the plane looking thing there. There's the controller. Indicator, accelerator, side flying lever, speed control, direction lever, side direction, fine tuning, trim for left and right. Easy flight manipulation and controlling. Smooth precision manipulation of vacant properties. But it says 3D functional control, built-in gyro, light, it's got a night light on it, indoor and outdoor, charger, and a LiPo battery is what it says. Alright. Got it out of that old box. Here's what we got here. First off, there's a radio for it. 2.4 gig. Got a little antenna right there. Lay over. Spring loaded both ways. Well, not that way. Sideways is spring loaded. Up and down's not. Spring loaded there. Both of those are all that spring loaded. Left, right, yeah, back and forth like that. It's spring loaded. Up and down, spring loaded on this side. Just left and right on this side are spring loaded, not up and down. Of course, you got your trims and stuff. On and off switch. This one actually only takes 4 AA batteries. Believe it or not. And comes with extra set of props, screwdriver for changing them out. Don't know if it's going to pick this up or not. It's a 3.7 volt 800 milliamp. And got that little plug right here. There's the charger that goes with it, of course. Got that in there. And of course they didn't send me nothing to hook on there. Luckily I've got the one that goes to my JJRC HHC. Luckily I've got that one. Or I'd be up the creek without a paddle. Here's the bird. The V22 Osprey. As you can see, there's your on and off switch right here to turn it on and off. Right there. Whoops, my bad. There it is. There's your landing gear. Your front landing gear. Your little lights are up here. See? A little light there. Light over there. And there's that back propeller I was telling you about hidden under there. Something different. Something to play around with. Hadn't really seen it on a bunch of channels. So I figured I'd get it and give it a try.
How many cups do you think you can drink? Or do you want to just make a whole?
I just wanted to make sure it at least had power to it. Alright guys. Got that out of the way. Great guy here. A lot of people know this guy. I've already cut the envelope. Without further ado, I'm going to bring this over to the camera. Joe Smo, RC, improving every day. Thanks, Joe. Wasn't no note with it. Appreciate that, Joe. You know you're going up on the board, buddy. Alright. We have Old Wolf RC, RC Nerd, Codes Empire, Tojo, RC FPV Vids. We have Tin Man. We have Mr. Beefy 71. We have Rock Buzz 43. We have Blacksmith RC right there. Beside him, we have Zimmy 1958. Down below that, we have RC Car Rookie, Thunder 19301, All Digital RC, Epic RC, and right there we have Ramsey RC. And up here, we have Be Kind, RC Johnny, and Chief Stan. Over here we have Hobby Villa, Vinyl Disorder, where I get my decals made, and RC 4-wheel drive. And Joe Smo, next time I do an unboxing back here, sorry that, got tongue tied there. Next time I do an unboxing back here, you'll be on the board, my friend. Y'all have fun, RC. Later, guys.